Jeremy. Today we are going to discuss one more CKA exam question. So the question says a legacy app needs to be integrated into Kubernetes built-in logging architecture. So we need to add a streaming co-located container. We need to set a proper way, and that will accomplish our requirement. So the task is we need to update the existing deployment called the synergy deployment. Here we need to add a co-located container as a sidecar container named using the image busybox into the existing pod. So we need to modify the deployment and add a new container called sidecar with the image of this busybox. And we need to add a command in a newly adding the container, this one, that is var log synergy deployment log file. And also we need to use a volume mounted at var log to make log file deployment available to the co-located container. So we don't need to modify any other specification of the existing container rather than adding the volume related configuration. So additional hint here, we need to use the shared volume to expose the log file between the main application container and as well as the sidecar container. Our practical task now. So first we will verify the deployment. So kubectl get deployment. So it is in the default namespace, so no need to worry. So we have the deployment is running. So I have made it a temporary, the prerequisite deployment for our question. Okay. So in your exam, you will get this kind of deployment already available. So what we will do is, as per the question, we need to add an additional container as a sidecar. So let me open the previous deployment file. So either you can edit the deployment or you get the deployment into YAML file and you can just update accordingly. That depends upon your choice. Okay. So this is how in the exam it will looks like. Okay. So let's add a new container. Okay, for example. Okay, so I have just simply copied and change the name of this container as sidecar, and this image is busybox, and the command is the one we need to modify. So this you will be getting in your actual question. Okay, no need to worry about that. This is the one you need to actually add it. Okay, so let's add this. The Kubernetes documentation, and here you will get that. Just search for the empty dir. Just get the content of this empty dir. Yep, you can see, right? Yeah, still this is the part I am interested in. So simply copy this part, navigate to your deployment, and add this. After we add the volume mounts, this is how it will looks like. So if you go down, if you look into the first container, right, this is how we need to add the volume mounts, and the second container, which is we added now, that is sidecar, and the command it looks like this, and the volume mounts is we need to add, and the volumes. If you're not sure, go ahead and check the volume mounts how it is mounted, and where the volume mounts need to be present and where the volumes are present, right? So accordingly you need to set, and you need to set the path. If you check that same thing with the question, the volume mounted at var logs, right? So that is the what we have set the mount path. Okay, and the volume says we have to share these volume mounts with both the containers. That's it. So let us save this. Reapply this. Okay, so now we can see the ports in the default namespace. So the new one is came up just now, and you can see, right, the 2x2 containers we have added the sidecar container. You can just simply run the kubectl logs, simply add the container name. Yeah, you can see, right, like see log messages. They're getting some logs from this container. Yeah, if you see in the question, this is what we need to do. So basically we need to set a new container in the existing deployment and add the volume mounts with the volume and the volume mounts for both the containers. So that's it. Yeah, that's it for this question. I will see you on next question. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment over, and I'm happy to answer as soon as possible. Thank you for now. Bye.